Hey guys, it's Charlene from stampinwithcharlene.com, and as many of you know, I am obsessed with American Girl dolls. So I just had to, when I saw the Best Dress Suite in the mini catalog, I had to get it. I had to get everything because I had to make this adorable little tote bag for my American Girl doll. So I am going to show you how I put it together. Isn't it perfect? It's the perfect size for any 18-inch doll. You can make it into a tote bag like I did, or you can fold it differently and make it a bag like this, attach the little handles and make it into a backpack. But it's so cute. Now, if you don't want to use it for an 18-inch doll, you can put a little gift card in here. You can put little candies in here, use some Valentine's Day paper, Christmas paper, Easter, anything. It's so versatile. I love this, and I love all of the products that come in this suite. It's in the mini catalog. It's on page 54. The Best Dress Suite. When I saw it, I knew I had to have it because it has a lipstick die, a thinlet die, lipstick thinlet die, and it has a high heel die. If you know, I love fashion, and I just feel like this set was made for me. Look at how cute. So I used this die to make the backpack. You're gonna need this and this long one, okay? I'm not going to actually cut the stuff. I already have it cut out. In the interest of time, I'm just gonna show you how I put it together. So for this project, you will need the bag die. You're gonna make 2 of those. You're gonna make 2 handles, and then I made 3 of these, and you will see how I put that together. You're also going to need your tear and tape adhesive and some ribbon and your bone folder. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just going to flip the camera down and see if I am in, here we go, in your working area here. I like to put my thinlets on magnetic sheets. I'll talk about that in another video, but I can see them easier. They're easier to get to. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. But I already cut out, as I said, 2 of the bag pieces. So you want 2 of these and 2 of the straps. And then I have 3 of these little pocket pieces. Okay? So you'll notice that the bag is scored for you everywhere it needs to be scored, and it also has really, really cute, detailed little, like little notches in it to make it, just to give it a little more dimension. And the matching straps have that too. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it has the little, so there's a right side and a wrong side, and the right side is the one that shows the little notches in it. So we're just gonna go ahead and fold along our score lines like this, and then just ignore this one for now. Folding and folding. Okay, then I like to lay my box out like this so that I know where I need to put my tape. So I'm gonna put some tear and tape adhesive right here along this piece. And I am sure that any moment my kitty cat is going to want to know what I'm doing and is probably going to jump on my lap. But we're kind of used to that by now, right? So I'll put my tear and tape adhesive there. And then I'm going to carefully line it up. Okay, so it went over a little bit, so I'm just going to flick it like that. So I'm going to carefully line it up here. Stick it together like that. And then I'm not gonna worry about putting any tape on these little flippy uppy things because it doesn't really matter. So the next piece of tear and tape is going to go on this side. And who does not love tear and tape? And now during celebration is the time to stock up on all of your consumables. All of the tear and tape adhesive, your mini glue dots, your snail refills, envelopes, all of that stuff. Now is the time, because for every $50 you spend, you get to choose a free item from the celebration catalog. So that's always fun. Free is fabulous. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the other side together. So easy, isn't it? And then, like I said, I'm just gonna ignore those little tab things and put a piece of tear and tape adhesive here on the bottom. And if you're coming to me as an American Girl fan and not as from my Stampin' Up channel, you can visit stampinwithcharlene.com, and there will be a link, and I'll also link below all the products that I use to make this. There's so many different Stampin' Up products that you can use to make things for your 18-inch doll. Okay, so like I said, we can squeeze it in like that to make a backpack, but I made a tote out of it, so I just squeezed it like that. So I didn't really have to worry about the little score lines here. But once you put the bag together, they will kind of score themselves when you fold it in. Okay, so now let's get on to making the cute little top part here. What you want to do with that is take, I made 3, like I said, fold it in half like this. Make sure you leave this little half circle. You want to leave that out when you fold it. So only fold the bottom part up, score it to give it a really nice fold line. You only want to do this on 2 of them. The other one you can leave whole. So now pay attention to where you put the tear and tape adhesive. I am going to put the tear and tape on both sides of the score line on the inside. And this is a piece of cardstock that I got, which you can receive if you sign up to be a Stampin' Up demonstrator during celebration. You'll receive a mini paper trimmer, and you will also receive a package of 6x6 designer series paper, which is a sampling of all of the designer series paper that is in the mini catalog. So that's what this piece of cardstock of designer series paper is from that sample pack. Okay, so now I put the tear and tape adhesive on both sides of the score line, but I want you to fold it over now, and on the shorter side, the side that doesn't have the half circle, I want you to put a little bit of tear and tape adhesive down each one of those sides. Okay, now what we can do is go ahead and remove the backing. Okay, get our little purse, and then what you want to do is you want the half circle to be on the outside. You want that to show. So you're just going to center this, center it here, and press it down like that. Very easy, right? Now take your long strap, take your bone folder and just curl the strap like that. And like I said, if you've come here as a fan of American Girl doll, 18-inch dolls, you're probably wondering, what is a bone folder? What is tear and tape adhesive? You can go to stampinwithcharlene.com and a whole new world will open up to you. And oh boy, you're gonna have another obsession. Okay, so let me take the back off the tear and tape adhesive. And now what I'm gonna do is add the handle to the tote bag. And remember, the little dots are the front of the handle. So I am just going to adhere it to the tear and tape adhesive on the inside. And then on this side, do the same thing. Adhere it to the tear and tape. And there you have it. So in the interest of time, I'm going to tell you that you do the same exact thing on the other side. And then you want to just take, see, it even looks cute like that. See, without the sides. So many things you can do. You can make them in different colors. You can make a whole set of luggage. So many different things. You just want to add some tear and tape adhesive to the back of this and set it on the front like that. Let's make it straight. And then I took some faceted gems, which are in the annual catalog on page 178, some gold faceted gems. And I just, you'll see, they're self-adhesive, so I just stuck some on there as a little embellishment, and then I just tied a cute ribbon on it. So easy. So I will list the products, but I want you to go to the mini catalog and check out page, let's see, it starts on page 54 to 56. Go check it out. It is so fun. I cannot wait to start making things with the lipstick and the little high heel shoe. I have so many ideas for that. If you need a catalog, contact me on the contact page on stampinwithcharlene.com and I can get you a catalog. Remember, if you place an order with me between $25 and $149, I will send you myself a free gift the following month if you enter the hostess code. And the hostess code can be found on my blog under the reward program. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment, subscribe, click on the little bell so you'll get an email whenever I post a new video, and have a great day.